दब्बड़ पड़ते राजा दब्बड़ पड़ते रो दब दब दब्बड़ पड़ते रो किस 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 किसका किस्सा किस्सा किस किसका సోషల్ మీడియాలో ఒక ట్రెండింగ్ వీడియో వచ్చింది. ఆ వీడియో అల్లు అర్జున్ ఒక అమ్మాయితో డ్యాన్స్ చేస్తున్నారు. పింక్ డ్రెస్లో ఆ అమ్మాయి ఎవరు? ఒక కొరియోగ్రాఫరా, ఒక హీరోయినా, ఎవరు? అందంగా ఉంటే అప్సరలా ఉంటావు అంటారు, కానీ చాలా అందంగా ఉంటే ఊర్వశి అప్సరా. సో లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ ద కొరియోగ్రాఫర్ యాక్ట్రెస్ ఊర్వశి.
Hello.
హాయ్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Good. How are you?
ఐఎమ్ డూయింగ్ గుడ్. సో ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద సోషల్ మీడియా మీరే కనిపించారు. హౌ డస్ ఇట్ ఫీల్?
I don't know. I'm very thankful, grateful, and it's magical. Like very unexpected, but I'm very happy. Like something like this, so much love, so much appreciation, so much support. So I am very grateful, and it's beautiful.
ఓకే, బ్యూటిఫుల్గా డాన్స్ చేస్తారు. మీ మూవ్స్ చూసాం మేము. సో యాక్చువల్లీ మీ కెరియర్ ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయింది? వెన్ డిడ్ యూ స్టార్ట్ యువర్ కెరియర్?
So basically, I started with college competitions. I always wanted to be a dancer. I always had the love for dancing since my school days. And then I continued in school competitions and college competitions. And after that, I just got my first opportunity to work as an assistant choreographer in the movie Dear Zindagi, if you have seen that with Alia Bhatt. So that was my first project as an assistant choreographer. And that's how my journey began in this career. And then there was no looking back. And then just projects kept on happening, and that's how I'm here.
We see the rehearsal video. In that, what steps Shrila has to do? You did with Allu Arjun, right?
Correct.
So how was your experience with Shrila?
Shrila, when we got to know that Shrila is doing the Kisik song, then we all were very excited because she is an amazing dancer. So our work becomes very easy when the artist is already a great dancer. So I was very excited to work with her, and her song Kurchi, if you have seen. So we were very excited. Okay, Shrila is coming and we are going to work with her. So the experience was very beautiful, and dancing with her, and she as a person, a human being, is a very very good person. And Shrila, I want to tell you that I remember an incident with you when I went to the vanity to teach her few steps, and we just got done, like I just got done teaching her. And then when I was going back, she said that, did you have your lunch? I said no, I'll just have. She said, why? I said, no, I mean, I just came to teach you and I'll have it now. And anyway, like, I don't like rice, you know, because we are on a certain diet. Being an artist, we are supposed to follow diet. So I was not consuming rice or dal or something like that. And then she just immediately said that, why did you not have your lunch? Come sit here. No, you're going to have food right now and then you'll go. And I was like, okay, I can't do that, because as a professional, we don't really, like to interact a lot other than professional work. So she like really scolded, like, are you having food or not? I said, okay ma'am, I'll have. And then she's so sweet that she just got her tiffin, the food, she got it from her home. And she just took it from the spoon and she fed
Made
me.
you eat.
Correct. So she's very sweet, and thank you, Shrila. I will never forget this moment with you. I love you for that.
We all love Shrila, the way she's done Kisik song. The lady behind Kisik song, Ganesh Acharya, was there, and the lady behind is you. So we have seen that song hundreds of times. But now just one step of that Kisik song, please, for us.
Okay, I'll also sing.
Yes,
And,
yes.
दब्बड़ पड़ते राजा दब्बड़ पड़ते रो दब दब दब्बड़ पड़ते रो किस 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 किसका किस्सा किस्सा किस किसका.
Wow. I think you have done how many rehearsals for this song?
Basically, we just rehearsed for one day, and that's it. And even I must say that Allu Arjun sir and Shrila, both of them have rehearsed only one day. There is so much dancing and it is not easy, but I would like to give credits to Shrila ma'am for this. You have done an amazing job, really. Allu Arjun sir is a great dancer, but Shrila, she is also an amazing dancer. Like one day rehearsal is very less for such a big song, but they have just nailed it in this song. So
Did you expect that Allu Arjun and Sheila would actually do it so well in like just one day? The whole song was recorded.
yeah, actually we expected because I have worked with Bunny sir in Pushpa 1 also, and I know that how alert he is, and he doesn't like really need a lot of practice because he's a skilled dancer. So we were expecting, you know, like this is gonna be a wow and a bomb song, and it is already. So yeah, it was an amazing experience altogether
Did life change after Kisik song?
for me.
Yes.
Absolutely. Absolutely it did. Actually, it did change back in Pushpa 1 only, in Uvantava song, when I worked with Allu Arjun sir for the first time. And I am beyond grateful to work with you, Bunny sir. Even if you are watching this, I want to thank you 100 times for giving me this opportunity to practice with you. And after Pushpa 2, like Pushpa 1 and Pushpa 2, so my life was here and now it's here. I did not expect that people are gonna love my work so much. As an artist, as an assistant, we just want our work to be recognized, that whatever we are doing. Basically, I've always worked behind the camera, so our work is not that seen by people, because you always see what is there in front of the camera. But this time, it's the universe, it's the God, and it's the blessings. What I don't know how to thank everyone that they have recognized my hard work, and I am utterly grateful to each and every one of you for this love.
You're beautiful, you have camera presence, and you're a good dancer. I am sure you're a good singer also. So, do you want to do some works as an actress?
Definitely, I am looking forward to work as an actress. I always wanted to work as an actress, which is why I took up projects as an assistant choreographer, because I feel that whenever you work in any of the department, maybe if it's direction, if it's choreography, even if it's production or costume, I always take up any kind of work, because you always get to learn a lot. Whichever department you are, you observe. And what I do is I specifically observe the artist, the way they are performing, the kind of expressions they give, how fast they learn, and the dialogue delivery. So every small thing, I just observe, and that is how I gain, I absorb. So this is how I have been working all these years, and now just looking forward to work as an actress, and I hope I get good opportunities in Telugu cinema especially, because I love Tollywood.
How was your interaction with director Sukumar Garu?
Very sweet again. He's such a big director, and I did not expect that he has so much patience. So I got a chance to speak to him personally, and I told him that Suku sir, this is Urvashi. I myself is Urvashi. I'm working with Ganesh Acharya sir, and it's a pleasure to meet you. And then I was explaining him about myself, that sir, I want to be an actor, and I'm trying from these many years. And he's just patiently listening to whatever I'm saying. And I also remember an incident that I'm just speaking to him, and somebody from the team just said, Urvashi, let's go, sir might be busy. But Suku sir said, it's okay, let her speak, she wants to say something. So Suku sir, you're so sweet that you have so much patience to listen to every small artist. So that is very, very big thing for me.
So, can we see you in Suku sir's movie, next film, next project?
That is my dream project. If I get to work with Suku sir, then that's just I don't know. I don't have words, because he is the best, and I really want to work with him.
Yeah. You said you even worked on the sets of Pushpa, Uvantava song with Samantha.
Yes.
So, how was that experience? That was the first time you came to Hyderabad?
No, I've been to Hyderabad before also, but Uvantava was again a very nice project for me. Samantha, again a very talented artist, and working with South artists is the best thing I have experienced so far, because our work becomes very easy. We don't have to do a lot of hard work like teaching them day and night, and they are struggling with the steps, or sometimes they are struggling with the lyrics. We just have to say that, ma'am or sir, this is the choreography we have designed, and these are your lyrics, and they are just done. And we are like, oh my God, that was so fast. So they are so experienced, and they are so skilled in their work, and they are so dedicated and hardworking. That has actually motivated me a lot. So I take a lot of inspiration from Samantha, Allu Arjun sir, and Sri Leela, and I have also worked with Jayam Ravi sir recently I did Genie movie is coming, Jayam Ravi sir, and I've also worked with Kriti Shetty and
As a choreographer?
correct, as an assistant choreographer, and Kalyani also. So it's I have worked in Bollywood also, and the artists I spoke about, but there is a big difference between these artists and Bollywood. Of course, Bollywood artists are also amazing, but South वालों की तो बात ही अलग है, really.
साउथ वालों की कौन सी बात आपको बहुत अच्छी लगती है?
They are very down to earth. They are very friendly, and you will not feel like you are working with a very big artist. So when I'm with Bunny sir, for example, so जैसे मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ अभी, he's like, hi Urvashi, how are you? Show me some steps. क्या है? And then Shalila also, hi babe, how are you? Even Samantha. So you don't feel nervous, like you know कि कितने बड़े artists हैं. You feel very confident. You will feel very comfortable. So you know it becomes a very easy for both the artist and us.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so
You don't have that pressure of the stardom.
correct.
It's more easy, it is more friendly way. You will just concentrate on dancing and
Yes.
teaching them.
Yes, and they have never ever changed a single step. I must say, no matter what. Even if I speak about Kriti Shetty, I recently worked with her, and I have taught her like very difficult belly dancing, and she has nailed it. And even Kalyani is a she has not learned belly dancing, but yet I'm just hoping the song releases soon and you'll get to see my work. But you can see that how they have also done so much hard work and they have nailed it in the song.
Yes. How do you plan this belly dancing? Did you learn somewhere?
No, I have never learned. It just I saw it on the TV and I thought it's something new, and I just tried, and by practicing I mastered it. So it's my genre now.
Belly dancing is very tough. You need to get all the moves correct, as well as you have to have that attitude and expression. How much practice is needed for this?
Basically, if you have never learned belly dancing, I would suggest you go and learn, because it's a very, you will enjoy doing that. And belly dancing has a lot of patience, body control and breath work. So the breath work is very important. If you have your breath work in control, then you can have your belly in control, and that is how it is performed. So it has a lot of techniques and patience, especially because when I teach artists, they are like, मुझसे क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, मुझे करना है, मुझे जल्दी करना है. But everything has a little patience. You need to have a lot of patience and practice.
So one move of belly dancing, what will you teach us to all the audience of NTV?
You want me to teach right now?
Yeah, you can.
It's very simple. I can teach you.
I'm not a good dancer, but still I can
I'll
try.
teach you. It's just you can hold your waist, okay?
Okay.
So we have these two bones over here.
Yeah.
You can just hold it, okay?
Yeah.
And you have to bend your knees slightly,
Okay.
okay? And then just focus on your bones.
Okay.
Your right will go slightly down. So bend your
Okay.
right knee.
Right knee, okay.
Yeah, just bend your right knee and up, okay?
Okay.
Bend your left knee and up. So basically you're dropping your waist, okay?
Okay.
And so like I said, you have to focus. Your focus is only on the lower body.
Okay.
So you bend. I'm focusing on my right, okay? Right, drop, up, left, drop, up. So that goes vice versa.
Like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Eight.
And gradually the speed increases to 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4,
let
5,
us
6,
give the
7.
belly dancing to her.
So that's how you learn? Yeah.
So beautiful, so beautiful.
Thank
You're doing it so well. Urvashi, there is one more Urvashi who is a good dancer in the industry.
Okay.
So did anybody like by mistake called you and thought that was that Urvashi?
Which Urvashi are you
Urvashi Rautela.
She is again my inspiration. Like I have been Miss India 2016. I have won that title, and Urvashi is Miss Universe. So I always watched her videos, like whatever, the way she walked, the way she talked, and her body and appearance and fitness and her clothing and everything. So I've always observed her very closely, and of course she is a very, very beautiful dancer. So I always look up to her, and after Urvashi Rautela, Urvashi Apsara is coming.
Awesome. So Apsara हमें कुछ ऊ अंटवा मामा टू ऊ अंटवा के स्टेप्स कुछ बताएंगे आप?
One of my favorite steps which Ganesh Acharya choreographed when he was on the, when we were rehearsing at the rehearsal hall, and the way he did, I remember his expressions. So Ganesh Acharya, he first sits on the chair, okay, sorry Masterji if you're watching this, I'm mimicking you, but that is the cutest expression you have ever given. So he will just sit on the chair and he'll say, Gana lagao. And I listen, and the music volume is very loud. We all are like, oh my god. But okay, he'll listen, and suddenly he'll look down, and then he'll call us, come, and we are watching him, and we know that kuch to abhi something good is gonna come. Then he'll stand up, he'll say, ऐसा करो, ऐसा करो, ऐसा करो, हाँ ठीक है, sound, and then he's like, Antava Mava, Antava Mava. And we are like, oh my god, kahan se laate ho aap ye sab? It is just beyond, you know, your imagination, the steps he creates. He is mind blowing, and that's so Masterji. It's always a pleasure to work with you and with your team.
Is Master very strict?
No, not at all. Like, I've worked with a lot of choreographers in the industry, but Masterji is the cutest and the sweetest, and I've never seen him shouting on the sets. There are a lot of masters who gets angry easily, but Masterji is a very chill kind of person. We all like a family, and he's like joking around on the set. So again, with Masterji, if you meet him, you'll also feel very comfortable.
Who are the different choreographers you have worked with?
There's Feroz Khan. With him, I have worked first time in my life. So I started my career with Feroz Khan. I've worked with Farah Khan. There's Richie also, and there are a lot of choreographers. Like I don't even remember.
Remo?
Remo, so no. I have not worked with him, but I have taught him. So we were doing this Dance Plus promo where I got to work with him, and yeah, I was also doing a little character in Masterji's movie, Dehati Disco. So Remo sir was a feature, he was a judge character in the movie. So even in that movie, I got to work with Remo sir.
I'm sure you will be getting many projects now. You're already shooting in Hyderabad. Can I know which project?
I cannot reveal the name because we are shooting already for the movie, but definitely you'll get to know soon once it releases.
Urvashi, what is your goal in life?
I want to, in a lighter way, I want to replace Nora Fateh, but I'm also looking up to her. But on a serious note, I want to be an actor. I want to work mainly in South movies. And I'm just looking forward that everything goes smooth, and someday the whole India recognizes me as a talent, as an artist who can dance, sing and act like that.
So before going, you want to do some dance moves for us and say something to your loved ones?
I would just want to say thank you. 100 times thank you to each and everyone who's watching this, because without you, I wouldn't have reached here. For an artist, it is very important to get recognition from the audience. We as an artist are only hungry for the recognition and support. Without you guys, I wouldn't have been here. So I am extremely grateful to each and every one of you for this love. It means a lot for me. So I love you all. I love you so much. And keep supporting, and I'll be getting new projects, and I'll be surprising you guys.
Yeah. And I want to see this dance. I just observed this Ram and dance.
Oh yeah, dance. I did this in school because I was so passionate about dance, and this is Ram. So I am also spiritual, a lot of I believe a lot in God. So I think tattoo is something, which will come with you after death. So this name, the God, will come with me. So this is what I got it done on my hand, and this is also gonna come. And this is, my watch is there, but it's mom and dad. If
Wow.
you watch, is dad, and this is mom. So 3 important things in my life is my parents, God, and dance.
Awesome, awesome. So you spoke about dance. You spoke about God now. Tell us about your parents.
Okay, so my journey as a dancer was a little difficult because I come from a conservative family. So my parents in the start, because you know how the relatives are like, industry is risky, what future will your daughter have? So my parents like used to say that focus on your studies, you know, what future you're going to make in the industry. But then as they saw my hard work, the way I used to work, and I've just always tried to make them proud. And after I worked in Pushpa, and they saw that how the artist and everyone is comfortable with me, and I've just tried to always make them proud, and they're extremely proud of me, and they are very supportive now, and they just want me to see going up. So hopefully someday I'll make their wish come true.
They're happy with you now.
They are very happy, very happy, and like wherever they go in my native place, people are like, are you Urvashi's parents? Oh yeah, we saw her video. So you know, this is what everybody wants, like you know कि हम अपने माँ बाप का नाम कैसे रोशन करें. An industry में रह के it's very difficult to be on the correct path, to meet the right people and do the right projects. So touch wood that I've met good people in life, I've done good projects, and hopefully in the future also I'll just make my parents proud.
I'm sure you would like to tell something to all the parents who are watching this, because many parents are really afraid to send their girls to the film industry.
I would like to say that just do not restrict your daughters, because industry is a safe place. If you are right, if your daughter is right, then everybody is right, and there's nothing to fear. Just open your arms and let them fly, because if your kids are happy, then you're gonna be happy. And I know that every child just wants to make their parents proud, so just let them be and support them. That is what we want.
We are really proud of you. I loved your story. Thank you so much, Urvashi. Wonderful talking to you.
Thank you.
సో చూసారు కదా, దట్ వాస్ ఊర్వశి అప్సరా. తను ఏమంటుందంటే లైఫ్లో రైట్ పాత్లో ఉంటే, రైట్ ప్రొఫెషన్ చూస్ చేస్తే డెఫినెట్లీ సక్సెస్ ఉంటుంది. కెమెరా పర్సన్ అలీతో తరుణ, ఎన్టీవీ హైదరాబాద్.